From a bedroom comfort perspective, here is what matters most. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of waking up with dry skin and a scratchy throat? Wondering if there's a solution to combat the dry air in your home? The Humidifiers for Bedroom Large Room Humidifiers by Jinki is a game changer, offering a range of benefits that make it a top-rated and best-selling product. With its smart tech, this humidifier is designed to provide a comfortable and healthy environment, perfect for large rooms. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, praising its effectiveness and ease of use. One of the key benefits of this humidifier is its ability to maintain a consistent humidity level, which is essential for a good night's sleep. You'll notice the air feeling softer and more gentle on your skin, with a subtle mist that's not too overpowering. The humidifier also operates quietly, with a gentle hum that's barely noticeable, allowing you to sleep peacefully without any distractions. Additionally, the device is designed to be low maintenance, with a simple and intuitive interface that makes it easy to clean and refill the water tank. In real-life use, this humidifier is perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, and offices, providing a breath of fresh air and relieving congestion and coughs. Unlike other humidifiers on the market, the Jinki Humidifiers for Bedroom Large Room Humidifiers is designed to cover larger spaces, making it an ideal solution for bigger rooms. With its advanced technology and user-friendly design, this product is a must-have for anyone looking to improve the air quality in their home. Overall, the Jinki Humidifiers for Bedroom Large Room Humidifiers is a reliable and efficient solution that will leave you feeling refreshed and revitalized, making it a great investment for your health and well-being. As always, links in the description. 1. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.